The question is, radiographically, the lesion shown in the color palette could be. Okay. So the image has already shown that it is Gary's osteomyelitis. However, if we bar this completely, what we need to remember over here is that you can very clearly see in the image that the entire periosteum around the tooth, this is soft tissue. So you can see that there is on the occlusal surface, even in this region, you can see the occlusal surface and you can identify the border of the mandible. In addition to that, you can see some radio opacity which is present around this radio border of the mandible, and this radio opacity is in the form of lines, and this is more discernible in this diagram of here. It looks like this, and it is circumferential, giving the appearance of what is called as onion ring, onion skin, peel or ring appearance. Okay, so this appearance where you have, it is very characteristic because the periosteum is being continuously irritated and the periosteum has reacted in the form of proliferation. So such a reaction is because of irritation is what is called as proliferative periostitis. Okay, and this situation is very characteristically seen in what is Gary's osteomyelitis. It is primarily seen in young individuals who are able to handle an infective source or inflammatory source much more better. Okay.